What's Codex? It has velvet shading, a powerful motor, 7 adjustable needle strokes, and the ability to work anywhere. A full video review of this interesting device is only on my channel. Hi guys, this is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now, subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. Codex company informs that their 10 years of experience allow to create all options necessary for the master's great work. In front of me is an ordinary simple box with a large text of the brand name and name our tattoo machine. The box also has information about the website. Inside we have a matte, stylish black box with the same glossy black text, Codex. Let's see what awaits us next. The inside of the box looks impressive. Lid inside the box has a drawing our equipment. Our lid also has an envelope. This is a very interesting solution. What did the company put inside the envelope? This is the instruction manual for our tattoo pen. The manual has full information about sterilization and warranty. An RCA connector if you decide to work from a socket. The box with spare details, the RCA connector, and the charging cable for wireless battery without adapter, and the Codex pen. It has a nice matte surface, only the ring on the body has a glossy surface. It has a brand logo on it. It looks stylish, premium classic, black on black with different types of finish and texture. Length is 128. Let's talk about specifications Codex. In the instructions, the machine weight with a wireless battery is 204 grams. We cannot do without scales. On the scales is 205 grams. With an RCA connector, the machine weight is 104 grams. If you have worked on the lighter and thinner tattoo machines, your hand will need some time to adaptation, but the pen has a good center of gravity and convenient form factor. Your fingers fit comfortably on the thinner part of the grip. Tattoo pen has one matte black color. Price is about $500, and you can also buy a second wireless battery for $100. The operating voltage is from 4 to 12 volts. This is powerful equipment that can work with different permanent makeup techniques, for example, powder pros, hair stroke technique, lipstick, areola, scars, work with different tattoo techniques and trichopigmentation. Simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold this button 2-3 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. The buttons with plus and minus change the working voltage. On the screen you are seeing information about the charge and operating voltage. Nothing unnecessary. The wireless battery provides about 4 hours your work. It depends your operating voltage that you use while working. Changing the battery is effortless and smooth. Full battery charging takes 1.5 hours. Grip diameter is about 32 mm. We have to sterilize the grip. It can be disinfectant and autoclave. The instruction informs that the high temperature sterilizer box is prohibited. The high temperatures can cause deformation of the grip after sterilization. Codex has 7 adjustable strokes from short 2.2 to long 4 mm. You don't need to buy several machines to find the perfect needle stroke. The artist can work not only in different techniques with various areas and tasks, but also with different skin types from thin to thick and porous. We can adjust the impact force, skin trauma, and pigment density. You just twist the ring on the body, and the point have to coincide with the number. The short stroke, for example, 3.1, is well for lipstick technique, cover-up, and more decorative effects. The long stroke, for example 3.7 or 4 mm, are great for mini tattoo, air powder prose, watercolor technique. And I recommend doing this with gloves on so your fingers don't slip. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip with locking clicks. This device has a some needle stroke, so the needle protrusion will be different for good flow pigments. I recommend, for example, for stroke of 4 mm, the needle protrusion of up to 3.5 or 3.8 mm. For stroke of 2.8 mm, for example, I use a needle protrusion of up to 2.5 mm. Codex compatible with many cartridges and power supplies if you decide to work with an RCA connector, but I recommend for premium tattoo machines only premium power supplies. I'm turning on our pen. I'm having the needle stroke 3.4 mm. My working voltage 5.5. Codex has a minimal vibration and noise. First test is powder prose. Let's go. My personal impressions are that it feels like a velvet stroke. It produces a beautiful pixel. In my opinion, it has mating with the skin is soft during the stroke. I'm increasing my working voltage up to 6.5. The work with line is stable and the line is thin. Let's sum up our video review, guys. Codex is professional equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup artists with the machine weight is 205 grams. But pen has a good center of gravity distribution and convenient form factor. The velvet stroke and the work with the line is stable. This is powerful tattoo machine that can work with different tattoo and permanent makeup techniques. It has a very simple operation and 7 adjustable strokes from short to long. You can work not only in different techniques but also with different skin types from thin to thick. Codex is an universal good device, but it can be a little heavy for a beginner. Beginner artists will need some time to adaptation. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.